Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video, I will teach you how to resize Canva documents to A4. So for example, we press on templates, or we just have a document right here. Let's say we have a letter. For example, this one. And we wanted to resize this to A4. So how do we do that? So we open the file. Once we are in the Canva page, we can see that this is the letter right here. So how do we resize it to A4? We just click on the upper left screen, press on resize, and look for see all here. So here we can see A4, document A4. So we press resize this design. So Canva will automatically resize your design to A4. So here we can see that the design is already resized to A4. So now we can see that the design is already resized to the A4 shape of Canva, right? So in order to save this file, we just press share and download. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more Canva tips and tricks, and hit the bell button below. Once again, thank you for watching with us.